السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the fourth part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. At-Ta'bir, Arabic expression. At-Ta'bir, Arabic expression. So we are going to learn from this lesson how to express ourselves in Arabic using some basic words in Arabic. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. So the two particles above, bi and an. Bi simply means with in English. An simply means about. An, about. So these two particles are known as agents of kasra. Their grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of any term in Arabic appearing after them with kasra. That is their grammatical duty. So it's to mark the last letter of any term in Arabic appearing after them. Bi and an, both are agents of kasra. So we are going to illustrate that using the examples below. So number one, anir rajuli. Anir rajuli, that means about the man. Anir rajuli, about the man. So an, the nunun in ani is supposed to be taking sukun. However, the lamun is also taking sukun, even though the sukun is hidden. In Arabic, the two letters carrying sukun will never meet at the same time. We must do something to avoid it. That was why the nunun carrying sukun has now been turned to nunun with kasra. The reason why it is kasra and not fatha is because the letter before it is taking fatha. So the opposite of fatha is kasra. That is why it is now taking kasra. Ani rajuli, about the man. So the lamun has been marked with kasra by ani. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So the same principle is applicable to anil mar'ati. Anil mar'ati. So the lamun is also carrying sukun. So we turn the nunun in an to nunun kasra so as to avoid the meeting of two letters carrying sukun at the same time. So anil mar'ati. Anil mar'ati. So the sukun in al-mar'a is visible, while that of rajul is invisible. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. So anil mar'ati. So ani has marked the last letter of al-mar'a with kasra. So one cannot read it as anil mar'atu or ta, rather anil mar'ati. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand, because an is an agent of kasra. So then we talk about the second example, bi. So the second particle, bi, which means with bil miftahi. Bil miftahi, with key. So one cannot say bil miftahu or bil miftaha, rather bil miftahi. Bil miftahi with key, as in fatahtul baba, I opened the door. Bil miftah, bil miftahi with key. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. So the same principle is applicable to bil miknasati. So what has happened in bil miknasati? So bil miknasati, with broom. So the ta'un of al-miknasa has been marked with kasra by bi. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So develop your vocabulary parts. Al-kalima, the word. Ridduha, its opposite. Ta'al, ta'al, come over. Irji, go back, is the opposite. Al-yawm, today. Al-yawm, today. Gadan, gadan, tomorrow. Mudarris, teacher. Talib, students. Hada, this. Dhalik, dhalika. Dhalika, that. Hadihi, this, for a female person. Hadihi, this, for a female person or female object. Tilka, that. Tilka, that, for a female person or a female object. Say hadihi Zainab, and we say hadihi Sayyarah. Tilka Fatima. We say tilka Sayyarah or tilka Daraja. Tilka Daraja. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So now we talk about mufrad and jamu. مفرد singular, jamu plural. يوم يوم one day. أيام days from 3 upward. So مدرس teacher, مدرس teacher, مدرسون teachers. طالب student, طالب male student. طلاب male students from 3 upward. طالبة a female student. طالبات female students from 3 upward. زميل classmate. زميل age mate. زميل colleague. هذا زميلي this is my colleague. هو زميلي, he's my colleague. So زملاء is the plural. زملاء classmate. زملاء colleagues. زملاء age mates. So هؤلاء is the plural. هؤلاء هذا رجل this is a man. هؤلاء رجال these are men. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. زميلة classmate. زميلات هي زميلتي she's my classmate. هي زميلتي she's my colleague. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. هن زميلاتي so they are my colleagues or they are my age mate. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Okay, هؤلاء is the plural. هؤلاء is the plural of both هذا and هذه. ذلك that for a male person or a male object. أولئك for male persons or male objects. تلك that for a female person or a female object. So the plural is أولئك, the same plural for ذلك and تلك. أولئك those. رجل إيمان the plural رجال men. امرأة a woman. نساء women. So nisa is the plural of imra'a. So miftahun key. So the plural is mafatih keys. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.